Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this big and fluffy crochet scrunchie. It is super easy even for beginners and it adds a perfect touch to any hairstyle. So let's get into it.
Over and over from my faith in others. Little did I know I could do it on my own.
So for this tutorial I'll be using a Yeye ball of yarn in the color red. I'll be doubling the strand and I'll be using a 2.5 mm hook. This is becoming my favorite hook size lately. I just love how tight it makes the stitches. And for the star of the show I'll be using this scrunchie band. There are actually two sizes. I got two sizes, this big one, this really big one, and the smaller size. Can you see that? We'll be making two types of scrunchie, so I'll use this one for one type of scrunchie and this one probably for the ruffle type, or anyone. Let's just see how it goes. So yeah, those are the things we'll be needing for our tutorial. And grab your hook and yarn and let us get started. So the first thing we'll be doing is making a slip knot. So make your slip knot. Then grab your hair tie, put your hook in between the hair tie in the middle, then pull your slip knot through. So the next thing we'll be doing now is yarn over and pull through that loop to secure our yarn in the hairband, just like this. So the next thing we'll be doing is making single crochet all around this hairband. I will make sure there's no black left, there's no black color left showing. So, and we'll be tucking in this end yarn over out. So we'll make the first single crochet. We'll just continue making single crochet all around the hairband until we don't have any part of the hairband showing anymore. So you can make the single crochet a lot around the hairband. Just know that will make your scrunchie really full. So continue making single crochet all around and I will meet you right at the beginning. So I have made my single crochet all around the headband, and as you can see there's really no part of the hair tie showing. So the next thing we'll be doing is making a slip knot in our very first single crochet. So this is the very first single crochet. So we'll insert our loop and our hook, then yarn over, pull through, then yarn over, pull through that loop. So we have made our first row. Now moving on to the second row, we'll chain one and make 3 double crochets in every stitch, in every double crochet we've made. So in this very first double crochet, we'll make in the very first stitch on the very first single crochet, we'll make a double crochet. Now we'll make 2 more double crochets in that very first stitch. Just like that. Then we'll continue making 3 double crochets all around. So this is the next stitch here. We'll make 3 double crochets. And we'll continue making 3 double crochets in every stitch around. So just keep working that and I will meet you once we've completed this row. So I have made 3 double crochets in every single crochet in the first row and I'm almost done. This is my last stitch. Don't make it in this one right here. This one is a slip stitch. This is the final stitch. even though we have 2 left, so don't make it here. If you make it here, you will be increasing. So into this very last one, I will make 3 double crochet. So I will slip stitch in the very first single crochet we made. So right here, I will slip stitch. So this is what the second row is looking like. This is, you can already see the ruffles. You can already see the ruffles starting to form. Now you can leave yours like this. You can leave yours this way and just make a border around it. Just go around with a single crochet, but I want extra ruffles, so I'll be making 3 double crochets in every stitch, just like we've done here. So I'll have more volume. I will make 3 double crochets in every double crochet underneath. So now moving on to the third row, I'll chain 1, and into this very first row I'll make 3 double crochets to the very first stitch. Then the next stitch I'll make another, this one I'll make another 3 double crochet. Try not to miss any stitch or it won't give you this sort of result. It won't give you the fullness you want. So moving on to the next stitch, this one right here, I'll make another 3 double crochet. So keep making this all around until you get to the last stitch, and you'll see that your head and your scrunchie will have more ruffles at the end of the day. So I have made 3 double crochets in every double crochet in the second row here, and this is what I have. You can see how full it is, so you can see how it looks. That is what you get. But if you don't want it to be this full, then you can just do one double crochet in every stitch for the third row, but I want it like this, so you can see it. Now to complete this row, I will make a slip stitch in the very first double crochet we made, like that. But now I want to add a second color, so instead of making that slip stitch, I want to add orange as the second color. So I have put the hook in the first double crochet. So I will yarn over, pull it through the very first double crochet, and put this red yarn behind the hook, then pull through the loop, and that is how I will change my color. Then I will yarn over, pull, and chain 1. Now I can just tuck this yarn behind and crochet over this tail. So in the very first, I'll be making single crochet around now as the border. So now in the first double crochet, I'll make a single crochet. So this is me yarning, weaving in. So in the second double crochet, I'll make another single crochet. So that is it. I am working in every double crochet below, and I'm putting a single crochet on top of it. This is to make a border. So that's how it will look. Can you see? So go ahead and make a single crochet around, and I'll meet you back. So this is how my scrunchie looks after I've made the border. Now I want you to know that if you use a chunky yarn, you'll get a really chunky scrunchie. So in the next video, I'll be showing another way of making a scrunchie. Thank you very much for watching this video, guys, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.